Hey there! Today I'm excited to share with you something that has been a game changer for me in my teaching journey. It's called eely, which sounds like the Greek word for course material, and it's a tool to organize your Markdown-based slides into configurable course deliveries. As you may know, I train professionals in C++ and different customers request different course contents. So far, I have been maintaining different repositories based on the level of the course. For example, an advanced and a beginner course and therefore repository. When a customer wants to add or exclude some chapters, I would have to make the relevant changes and maintain them in a separate branch. Remember, a branch means duplicate work and should not live long. As you can imagine, the more permutations, the less sustainable maintaining these repositories becomes. Then there's some material, let's say software design, that cannot necessarily be mapped to a particular level. Or let's say another customer comes in and wants an intermediate course with elements from both existing repositories, and then, the whole thing blows up. With eely, you can say goodbye to maintaining multiple repositories, duplicating work, and the headache of mixing and matching different course materials. By using YAML configuration files, eely allows you to specify the contents of each course delivery. Whether it is a beginner, intermediate, or advanced level course, you can easily configure the contents and generate slides that are tailored to your students' needs. But that's not all. eely offers multiple features like the ability to watermark your slides, generate PDF files, and merge all your slides into a single PDF and a zip archive for easy distribution. And the best part, eely is free and open source with extensive documentation on GitHub for you to dive right in and start using it today. Are you still with me? Let's see how it works. Here we have the repository of an imaginary course on React. Single source of truth, all React related material shall go in there. We will be maintaining each course delivery, which could be specific to a customer, competence level, or both, in YAML configuration files. In each file, we specify the contents of each delivery split into chapters. Each chapter has several lectures and maybe some extra material such as exercises or cheat sheets. That was the beginner's course. The content for the advanced course is now maintained in the same repository and we can select it for our advanced delivery. Do we need an intermediate course? Something in between? We mix and match. Do we have a customer that wants to spice things up with some software architecture? No problem and no need for branches. eely allows you to specify the content of each delivery. Once we're done with our configuration, we run eely. It generates slides out of our Markdown files and structures them in such a way that we can easily navigate through them live in the classroom using any browser. We can also choose to produce PDF files. eely will merge all slides together in a single PDF and create a zip archive for us to distribute to the students. The archive will contain the PDF file with all the slides and any extra material such as exercises. The project is on GitHub and I will put a link to it below. So, if you're tired of the whole hassle of maintaining different repositories and want to streamline your course delivery process, check out eely today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Until next time, take care and keep learning.